evening, people, and sorry for the background noise. This is how to use your calculator 101. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use this calculator to convert units so that you don't have to do it all by yourself. However, the only drawback is this calculator only converts from different systems. So it'll convert from customary to metric. So for example, miles to kilometers. However, it won't convert within the metric system. For example, kilometers to meters. That being said, let's do it so I can hopefully reduce your homework time by a little bit. So say you have to convert 4 miles into kilometers. We're going to say that. So you take your given number, which is 4 in this case, and you're going to type it. You're not going to type anything else, just that letter 4, number 4. And I don't think you can see that very well, so I am going to change the brightness. That looks a lot better. Now you can see that number 4, yes? So what you're going to do next is press Shift, which is here on the left, and then the number 8. And as you can see by this number 8, up here, there's yellow text that says CONV. That stands for convert. Next, you're going to choose your, category, I guess. Who knows? Anyway, we are converting length because it is 4 miles to kilometers. So I'm going to press 1, which is the number next to length. If you were doing something else, for example, mass, you would press 4. But I'm going to press 1. And now, you have all these different conversions. And you just have to pick the one that you need. I don't know if it has, all the different conversions, but there are quite a few. So we need miles to kilometers, and that's right here next to number 7. So you're going to push number 7. And if you needed something else, you'd push the number or letter next to it. Now, as you can see, it shows 4 miles to kilometers. And then you'll just push equals, and there you go. That is how many kilometers are in 4 miles. See ya next time.